A young mother and her 2 children are in the hospital right now after suffering carbon monoxide poisoning from using a generator inside their home during the storm.
7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette is live downtown outside Detroit Receiving Hospital with the latest on their conditions. Simon, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Glenda, Carolyn. We know that the family arrived here at Detroit Receiving Hospital at the emergency room just after 1 o'clock in the morning. Now, a few minutes ago, I spoke with the mother and she says they are all thankful to still be alive. Inside this home on Montrose Street in Northwest Detroit, a 22-year-old mother says she made a costly mistake that nearly killed her and her 2 young children, ages 6 and 1. Earlier, we reached that mother in the hospital by phone.
You're being given lots of oxygen and a lot of rest and fluids to kind of help flush the carbon monoxide out of our system.
She says before she knew it, just after midnight, it was clear something was horribly wrong. Her kids appeared sick and she called 911. Now she realizes a decision last night to leave a generator running in the basement when power went out was both dangerous and irresponsible.
I kind of just woke up with a really bad headache, and after that, everything kind of blurry. I don't remember much besides just being in an ambulance.
Detroit Fire Inspector Christopher Dixon stresses to never run a generator in the home or even garage. Also, to keep them covered under a table or a stand outside. And always remember, carbon monoxide can be lethal.
Any type of device that runs by gasoline emits dangerous carbon monoxide. It's odorless and colorless. It's the silent killer.
Now, the mother, her son, and stepdaughter are expected to remain in the hospital for another day or so. She says she hopes others will learn from this mistake. Live downtown, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News. Carolyn, back to you.
Simon, they are so fortunate. How did this mom know something was wrong, and are there signs to look out for?
She says just after midnight, her daughter had the chills, her stepdaughter, I should say, had the chills and was shaking, and that alerted her that something was seriously wrong. That's when she called 911. Other signs like vomiting, nausea are things to look out for. And if you go to WXYZ.com, we've listed all the signs to watch out for if you are at risk or you think you may have been poisoned.
All right, Simon, again, so very fortunate. Glad they are okay. Glenda, I'm going to send it over to you.
All right.